Hi, my name is Abhishek Tayal. Welcome to my 15112 term project called Nightclub. Nightclub is a music visualizer, much like the iTunes visualizer or the Windows Media one, with one fundamental difference. Most existing visualizers are non-interactive. This means that a user can select a song, but following which he or she has little to no control over what is actually rendered on the screen. Nightclub, on the other hand, is interactive. A user can create objects and edit objects on a canvas, and these objects will interact with what the user does, with each other, and of course with the music. So anyways, let's get started. I can choose a song, type in a song name, so let's go with by oops. So if you notice, the second my song and artist fields were both full, this arrow button on the side popped up. The second I click this, my app will do two things. For one, it'll perform a search through my hard drive for songs with a name similar to the one that I've entered here. For example, the track on my hard drive could be track 1, Meet Me in Paris, radio edit, feat Max Martin. And my app would know that this is the song that's being talked about. And the other thing my app does is it goes online and performs a web scrape for other basic song data, such as the song's beats per minute. Okay, so it found the data it was looking for. So let's click start. As you can see, a canvas of gradually incrementing color is created. Now, if I click on this canvas, a shape is created, and the size of the shape is directly proportional to the length of the click. So let's create a shape. So can you see that the shape is pulsating with the music? Now, if I click on an existing shape, its color is incremented in much the same way that the background's color is incremented. Now each shape is assigned a mass and can hence be flung. And larger shapes will be much more difficult to fling than smaller shapes. Now let's do something really cool. Let's make another shape. Can you see how it's pushed away from the big guy? That's because of propulsion. I've basically modeled a physics engine around center-to-center electrostatic propulsion, which means that every single object repels every other. Now this looks kind of cool with two objects, but it looks way cooler with around 50. So let's make some more. Can you already see that all the small guys don't want to come near the big guy because his field is so large? So let's make another big guy. Now you'll observe that when I move the big guy around, the entire canvas will adapt accordingly. Everything wants to move away from him. And like this, I can actually make quite a large number of shapes before my algorithm starts lagging. And the more I make, the cooler it looks. Now, if I hover around the bottom of the screen, I get a status bar which gives me the name of the song, the artist, and the time elapsed. Similarly, if I hover around the top right, these two buttons come up. The first is the rewind button, which takes me back to the start of the song and resets my canvas, where I can make something new all over again if I want. And the second button takes me back to my home screen. So that's my term project. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy what you saw.